Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust Pajero headlights. Park on level ground, aim at a flat wall 3 to 5 meters ahead, and measure beam height. Start by marking the center of each headlight on the wall, then back the vehicle to the recommended distance and adjust screws until beams align with marks. Test on a dark road and fine-tune until both low and high beams are centered and safe for oncoming traffic. I'll walk you through the tools and safety tips before starting headlight adjustment. Gather a tape measure, a screwdriver or hex key, masking tape, and a helper if possible. Turn off daytime running lights and ensure the vehicle battery is stable to avoid flicker during adjustment. Wear gloves and eye protection, and keep traffic and pedestrians in mind while working near a roadside. A helper can operate steering or brake to simulate real driving conditions during final checks. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more car guides. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle keeps you hydrated on long garage sessions, has leak-proof lid, and easy one-handed drinking. I use it between adjustments to stay focused and avoid sticky hands. Check the description for the link and other deals, and grab one if you want reliable hydration on the go. Now let's get back to the video. Now let's adjust the beams step by step in a calm, steady way. Turn on low beams only and measure each beam center height on the wall, marking horizontal and vertical reference lines. Use the vertical and horizontal adjusters to raise or lower and move the beam left or right until it matches your marks. Drive a short test distance and revisit adjustments to confirm even illumination and safe cutoff patterns for oncoming drivers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.